What does the world look right now? At the moment, the seas are very polluted, and many animal species are more threatened with extinction. There also is a too high CO2 emission, which is not only bad for the animals and plants, also for the humans. It's very bad because they breathe it in. The next important point is that we produce way too much waste, and it lands in the seas, or a lot of CO2 is used in the garbage destruction.
Pollution affects the animals a lot. The more the earth warms, the more the species are threatened. The temperature change, the extreme precipitation and the extreme weather events affect the animals. In addition, islands are flooded and the animal species on the island become extinct.
One of the biggest problems is the impact of climate change on people. The first problem is the extreme weather changes that are getting worse week by week. Floods, extreme rain and strong thunderstorms with tornadoes are destroying our homeland. But that's not the only problem. Due to the rising heat, short jobs in summer are energy intensive and make us sweat quickly. The heat makes bacteria feel very comfortable. Diseases spread faster and new ones develop. Diseases also come from the pesticides used in the cultivation of crops. The CO2 emission is the biggest problem. Factories and means of transport emit CO2 and pollute our environment. Oxygen is becoming scarce and people need to wear masks.
What will the world look like in the future? Deforestation and melting of the ice are destroying the habitat of the animals. Another problem will be that the garbage in the sea is getting more and more. CO2 emissions from cars and factories make the air worse and diseases arise. If this continues, animal species will be extinct.
As a conclusion, we can say that we should produce less waste, cause less CO2 emission, have a look at the world of the animals and help them if they need it. We have to stop the climate change and the environment pollution must stop.